FSLR stock analysis, massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying now? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Here's the key here with First Solar. It's a beautiful bullish market. What does that mean? Well, it means that I'm looking to take it further higher. Same way I look to buy here, and I have the proof to back up my claim. Cut it out beforehand, before anything. Because it was post-market, the day before, right? So,
you know, I've done it before.
At the time it was 143. I was aiming for $200 around 18th of June or whatever, 19th, 18th, 19th, and then boom, we freaking delivered. And then since we were coming up, I was like, okay, if the price pulls down, gives me a double break, I'm looking to take it up. And guess what happened here in the lower time frame? Well, it pumped up, and it was phenomenal timing. But in regards to that, seems like pre-market is going to open even higher. So how things are looking like is that I'm looking to double down even more, right? Like I'm looking to buy more, but only hoping I see a bigger correction just so I can have my rules met and get myself involved. And sometimes it can just freaking fly up without me, which is totally fair and part of the process. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, free stock picks, emails, and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.